Are you looking forward to maximize your workouts without spending hours in the gym? If so, today's topic is for you. Superset and circuit training. These training methods pack intensity, volume, and efficiency into a shorter time frame, making them ideal for anyone chasing muscle growth while managing a busy schedule. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Poonam and welcome back to the Comprehensive Training Approach series. In today's episode, we'll break down the science, benefits, and practical applications of superset and circuit training so you can decide if they are the right fit for your fitness goals. What are supersets? Supersets involve performing two exercises back to back with little or no rest between them. There are two main types: agonist-antagonist supersets. These pair opposing muscle groups such as biceps and triceps or chest and back. Compound supersets. These target the same muscle group like a bench press followed by push-ups to maximize muscle fatigue. Research by Bickel et al. In 2011 shows that supersets can enhance muscle hypertrophy by increasing training volume and time under tension. Additionally, reducing rest period elevates metabolic stress, a key driver of muscle growth. Additionally, according to a study by Schoenfeld in 2010, reducing rest periods elevates metabolic stress, a key driver of muscle growth. For example, performing dumbbell curls immediately followed by tricep dips for an antagonist-agonist superset, or try deadlifts paired with Romanian deadlifts for a compound superset to target hamstrings and glutes. What is circuit training? Circuit training involves performing a series of exercises targeting different muscle groups in succession with minimal rest. Unlike supersets, circuits typically feature 3 or more exercises, making them a hybrid of strength and cardio. The key benefits include increased efficiency. It works on multiple muscle groups in one session. Boosted caloric burn. It elevates your heart rate for a better cardiovascular fitness. Improved endurance. It builds muscular and aerobic stamina simultaneously. According to Kelly et al. In 2012, circuit training offers comparable hypertrophy to traditional strength training while significantly reducing workout duration. However, it may not be the best choice if time isn't a limitation and maximum strength gains are your primary goal. For example, a circuit might include push-ups, goblet squats, kettlebell swings, and plank holds with 30 seconds of rest between each exercise. Combining supersets and circuit training. Looking to level up your workouts? Combine these methods for the ultimate efficiency boost. For instance, create a circuit featuring supersets like bench press plus dumbbell flies, which is a compound superset. Pull-ups plus barbell rows, which is an agonist-antagonist superset. Lunges plus calf raises. This approach increases training density while maintaining a high intensity level, helping you achieve muscle growth, strength, and endurance in less time. According to a study by Half and Triplett in 2016, this approach increases training density while maintaining a high intensity level, helping you achieve muscle growth, strength, and endurance in less time. Practical applications. To effectively implement superset or circuit training, follow these tips. Exercise selection. Prioritize compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and pull-ups for maximum muscle engagement. Rest periods. Keep rest between supersets or circuit exercises between 30 to 60 seconds to balance intensity and recovery. Volume. Start with 2 to 3 supersets per circuit or 3 to 4 circuits per workout. Adjust based on your fitness level and goals. Progressive overload. Gradually increase weights, repetitions, or intensity over time. Pro tip: beginners should start with fewer exercises and longer rest periods to build endurance and ensure proper form before progressing to advanced circuits or supersets. Thus, to conclude, both superset and circuit training offer time-efficient, high-volume strategies to promote muscle growth and improve overall fitness. While supersets focus on maximizing specific muscle groups, circuits provide a full-body workout with added cardiovascular benefits. By tailoring these methods to your fitness level and your goals, you can achieve incredible results without compromising on time. This was Superset and Circuit Training. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your gym buddy, and subscribe for more fitness insights. Check out our full series to deep dive knowledge about fitness, and remember, train smart, stay strong.